Yes, good afternoon to you all. I'll begin in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. So, I welcome you once again to my YouTube channel where we share ideas, where we teach about computer, about the different things which are computer related. So this morning I want us to look at Google Forms. We are going to look at Google Forms. Google Forms, you can just come on my app for Google Chrome, Google Forms. Yeah. Then I come here. These are different. We have Google Drive, Gmail, YouTube, what? But my one Google Forms. So Google Forms are here. These are the Google Forms. You can use for submitting your work, like you want to set questions for your learners, like it can be like a blank form. You want your students, you want your colleagues, you want your workers to fill in the forms and submit. Like you are advertising for a job, so you can use these Google Forms and give the different requirements that you want the potential candidate to have. So here we have contact information, t-shirt sign up. This one is for the dead. So on party, we are inviting people to a party, but you want to tell them the requirements that they should have. But my want a blank form. I click here. It's a blank form. So here, this is my form. Like here, I can give you an example. Now here we put the title. Where I can say, I can put this. I can say Tonics Enterprises. Like I'm advertising for a job. Enterprises. This one I can make some effects on it. I can either broaden it like that. See, whichever effects that you want to make. But this is my title. So here I can say. So here we have the option for the question. Which question do I want to ask? I can say the first question. I want your name. The name. I want it to be a short. Do you want it to be a short answer, multiple choice, or paragraph? So I want the short answer. I have finished. So if you want to go on the next, you click here. Next. The next section is this. This is the next section. This one. I can say address. Your address. Yes. So I have finished your address. Now let this be. This is the address. I am done. That's the address. That's the address. I can add another question. The time you used to sing it in my ear. This is my breast, you scold it. I've done it. So yeah, I can go on another one. Like I can say, I want your age. Your age. I want this to be. This is the age. Like, if I want this to be like this, the one age. I want to be like, if I want it to be like when it is compulsory, I just click here. It is required. So maybe I can make some effects. I can make some effects on this page. Like I can say I want to add an image. Just come here to browse, or I can come here on Google Images. You can add an image which is related to what you are to what you are talking about. Let me try to search here. This one is, but you can add any image that you want to put. Like here, I can give you an example maybe of my photos. Just an example. This is just an example. So after you've inserted, they'll bring for you the photo here automatically. This is what you have inserted. So you can make some effects. Maybe you want to add the image, you can add a video. Then you can also choose the theme. The themes are here. I want this. I want this. This is what I want to add. I think you're seeing whichever effect that you make, they add it for you. I think you're seeing it is red now. They have made it red also. So then after making your form, you can now publish it. Anyone with a link, so people will send their links using this form. So you can say publish here. So here you will see. Then those that after seeing that people have responded, like those that have finished to send their names, those that have sent the address, the age, and the what. So be able to check for responses, those that have responded. So here are no responses yet. But after people responding, you'll be able to know from here, just come on responses. So thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share this. May God bless you. Have a nice time.